Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about how to make money with ChatGPT in 2023. ChatGPT is a cutting-edge language model developed by OpenAI that has numerous applications that can help you earn money. In this video, we're going to explore 5 different specific ways you can use ChatGPT to make money in 2023. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Number 1. Content creation. First way you can make money with ChatGPT is through content creation. ChatGPT can generate high-quality articles, blog posts, social media content, and much more. You can offer your services as a content creator to businesses or individuals who need high-quality content for their websites or social media channels. With ChatGPT's help, you can quickly produce content that is engaging and informative, which can help you charge a premium for your services. Number 2. Chatbot development. Another way you can make money with ChatGPT is by developing chatbots. Chatbots are becoming increasingly popular in various industries, and businesses are looking for developers who can create chatbots that can interact with their customers seamlessly. ChatGPT can help you create chatbots that are intelligent, conversational, and able to respond to a wide range of queries. With your chatbot development skills and ChatGPT's capabilities, you can create custom chatbots for businesses and earn a handsome fee for your services. Number 3. Digital marketing. ChatGPT can be used for digital marketing purposes. With ChatGPT, you can generate high-quality copies of your ad campaigns. This can help you create more effective marketing materials that can drive traffic and sales. Additionally, you can use ChatGPT to analyze customer data and trends, which can help you optimize your digital marketing strategies and increase your ROI. Number 4. Virtual assistants. You can also use ChatGPT as a virtual assistant to help you manage your schedule and tasks. With ChatGPT's natural language processing capabilities, you can easily communicate with it using voice or text commands. ChatGPT can help you with tasks like scheduling appointments, sending emails, or even managing your social media channels. This can help you save time and focus on more important tasks, which can ultimately make you more money. Number 5. Education and training. Last but not least, you can use ChatGPT to provide education and training services. ChatGPT can generate course content, quizzes, and exams for a wide range of subjects. You can use ChatGPT to create online courses or training programs that you can sell to individuals or businesses. With ChatGPT's capabilities, you can create high-quality educational material that can help your clients improve their skills and knowledge. And there you have it, 5 ways you can make money with ChatGPT in 2023. Whether you're interested in content creation, chatbot development, digital marketing, virtual assistants, or even education and training, ChatGPT's got you covered. The key is to leverage ChatGPT's capability and combine them with your own skills to provide value for your clients. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below and I'll be sure to respond. See you next time.